G'day, it's James here from Plumbdog. It's going to do some leak detection today, and yeah, I'll do my best to the client and see how we go.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you're notified each time we upload a video.
Alright, it's getting a good nice signal here. What I'll do is just put our special probe down, say about here. Just put this on here so I can have a good listen to it. I think we've hit bingo. Okay guys, found him right on the spot. And there it is. Repair all complete. Replaced the burst section, so...
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you're notified each time we upload a video.